Hey guys, Handy Coco here. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be an unboxing and a short review on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Enjoy. So for the accessories included, we've got the pin, we've got a charging cable, which is both Type C, Type C. We've got the manuals, and we have the phone. Pretty cool packaging of the phone. Pretty satisfying to take the packaging off as well, I might add. Okay, wow. This is quite a large phone. It's basically like having a tablet. But that being said, I had zero issues with handling this phone, and I do not have large hands. Folding, unfolding, no issues. I could do the folding with one hand by just pushing down with my thumb, and it would fold, no problem at all. Very smooth lock as well when it folds. Okay, let's go ahead and power on the device. Okay, we're obviously going to have to do the first startup setup. I'll get back to you guys once I've done all that. Okay, awesome. Everything's installed now. Just trying out some YouTube. Let's see what playback's very responsive, very fast phone. Wasn't expecting any less. Let's move on to the camera and video. Pictures. Very impressed with the picture quality, as you can see. Moving on to video. Again, very impressive video quality. And what's nice is when you watch the playback on the tablet style, it's really awesome. Okay, I just wanted to try out a benchmark. Okay, here's all the results of the benchmark of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Sorry guys, I'm not really a technical person on this type of stuff. This is for more if you want to see it. Here we go. Let's try another app. Movies, great to watch. Nice big screen. And again, very responsive. My overall impression on this device, it's great. If you guys can get it, go for it. I don't see why not. I thought the problem of it being a big phone not fitting in my hand was an issue, but it really wasn't to me. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed the video.